Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change ink cartridges in an Epson Stylus SX235W. Now as you can see, the LED next to the ink drop on the right hand side here is lit, indicating there's an issue with the cartridges. Now my machine was printed fine a second ago, so it must be that a cartridge needs replacing. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the lid of the printer here. There are handles on the left and right hand side built in under the scanner. So it's quite easy to lift up. Now from here, we just press the stop button on the right hand side and the cradle will move itself into the position where it'll show which cartridge needs replacing. Let's point it straight to the black. So we press stop again to see if there's any other cartridges, which there aren't. Now it's slid across to the right hand side, which is the cartridge replacement position. You can see it's cut out there so that you can access them. So take this cartridge out. Get our replacement, make sure we've taken all the tags and anything that needs taking off, and then slot them in, apply pressure to pop that film on the bottom of the cartridge, and away we go. Now we can close up the lid, press resume one more time. Now you notice a little bit of chugging while your printer's checking the cartridge, and eventually the LED on the right will go out, indicating that it's happy with the cartridge. Now if the LED is still lit for you and you've changed every cartridge that was indicated to you in the last stage, then there must be an issue with the cartridge, so I'd just recommend going through the process again. Now hopefully you found that useful and now up and printing. If you have, chuck us a like. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.